I know I look frazzled because I am. Moving's hard stuff. Anyways, I got the all-important moving boxes. Then in my bag, I have quite a few of the packaging tape. And then the most important thing for moving is the good coffee creamer. I've been trying desperately to stay away from this stuff because I think this stuff makes me fat. And when I got off coffee, now I've been off coffee for over a year, and I just recently started taking some coffee, but it's not even the good stuff because it's decaf, because I can't have caffeinated anything. But coffee smells so good. And I've been doing very light creamer, you know, no sugar, none of that stuff, so that I don't put on weight and become addicted to coffee again. But I'm kind of stressed. So I thought I'd treat myself to the good stuff. And I have to tell you, I am so looking forward to having a cup of coffee. And then I'm going to go pack my bedroom. And I'm fooling myself. So it's like a placebo effect. Because I'm drinking decaf coffee. So I'm not even going to get the high or that boost that coffee gives you. But in my mind I am, because I'm having a cup of coffee. So I guess it's more for my mental health than it is for anything else. It's just, I do not want to put on a whole bunch of weight because I'm back on coffee again. I could kick myself sometimes. I took a sip of my husband's coffee because it smelled so good. And then ever since, I want coffee. And I gave up coffee for over a year. I quit coffee December 28th, 2021. So over a year. And now I want coffee. Moving, you know? Moving. Anyways, let's get home and get busy. Okay, lovies, let's get that all-important cup of coffee going. And you're going to see that I measure my creamer. Because in my mind, if I measure it instead of dump it, I'm doing better than just what I did before by just dumping it in my coffee. Just like I'm telling my brain, this is a cup of coffee and we're going to go, go, go. But even though it's decaffeinated, you know, I guess we lie to ourselves sometimes to get through what we got to get through. But I got a lot of comments on my last video that quite a few of you are actually moving as well. So this video has very little cleaning in it, but tons of packing motivation. My plan in my brain, again, is to pack as much as I can, and then when we get the packing done, then we'll go behind all of that and then clean, because now stuff's packed. It probably would make more sense to pack and then clean the thing I just packed, but I don't know, I feel like I get more done in a day if I just move from one space to the next space to the next space to the next space and pack with as many boxes as I can, and then write out a whole nother list, which you're going to see my list very soon, of all the places I got to go clean then after. So I don't know, if you guys have any great moving tips, I'd love to hear them. I already got one, and you're going to see it in this video. One of you lovies suggested that one of the best things they did when they moved was to use the clothes that they're taking with them to wrap breakables. And I was like, that's genius, because that like doubled, you know, like you're wrapping the clothes that you're going to take the stuff that's breakable. So it's just genius. So you're going to see me do that in this video, because I just thought that was fantastic, because that'll cut down on all the clothes that we have to pack. So I had a hard time deciding though, like what am I not going to wear like right away. So you'll see I use my husband's clothes. But anyways, there's lots of packing going on in this video. Over the weekend, we're going to be doing more packing and probably a lot of cleaning. And I'm hoping because my husband will be home, I can move things that I normally couldn't move on my own so that I can get behind. For instance, I'm sure there is a whole nother dog behind these bookcases because these bookcases have been here since we moved in. So I've never cleaned behind them. So I'm sure there's like a whole nother dozer behind there. So I'm hoping like he can move these bookshelves and I can get behind that. So we have a more in-depth cleaning video coming over the weekend. But for now, it's lots and lots of packing. I told you guys my content's going to change just for a short while we pack everything up. We're hoping to be out of our mobile home and where we're going in New Jersey by mid-March, the latest by April 1st. So this is coming very quickly. It's happening very fast. So I have lots of packing to do. So like I said, though, I'm going to try to incorporate some cooking videos in with all of this too, so I don't bore you guys to death with just packing. But this video is a lot of packing. So I so appreciate you watching it and sticking with me while my life changes and my content changes for a short period of time. But I have a feeling my content's going to change even a little bit more when I get to New Jersey because it's going to be all different cleaning spaces and I have other things going on. So exciting stuff coming. So if you'll just stick with me through this moving process, we will get back to normal and have a whole new space to explore. So I really appreciate you guys. I love you guys. And now I'm going to shut up and just play some music. So at least if you're cleaning, you can clean to some good music while I pack.
Maybe I'm a bird following the seasons. This is what I've learned. I'm different for a reason. Kept the engine on, never stayed too long. I'm alright, I don't mind being restless. Something in your eye made me stay all night. I can see you are different too. Love me like a stranger, like a melody flowing wild and free. Love me like a stranger, let it be unique. Run away with me. my eyes and go back, play it in my mind. A movie of us two, yeah, we were happy at the time. Can't remember what it felt like. We used to be so strong. That picture perfect sky now, it looks so gray and cold. We've been laying here since 4 a.m. and you haven't said a word to me. Silent treatment, is this what it feels like when your heart is aching, when it bleeds? If it's over, just say it out loud. Say those words, go ahead, just shout it out. Just be honest, be a man right now. Say it's over, if it's over. Do you remember when we went to Paris in July? Got stuck out in the rain, but we danced around and didn't mind it. So young and reckless, baby, you and I fit just like a glove, but I guess that's over now. We've been laying here since 4 a.m. and you haven't said a word to me. Silent treatment, is this what it feels like when your heart is aching, when it bleeds? If it's over, just say it out loud. Say those words, go ahead, just shout it out. Just be honest, be a man right now. Say it's over, if it's over. If it's over, just say it out loud. Say those words, go ahead, just shout it out. Just be honest, be a man right now. Say it's over, if it's over. We've been laying here since 4 a.m. Silent treatment, is this what it feels like? If it's over, just say it out loud. Say those words, go ahead, just shout it out. Just be honest, be a man right now. Say it's over, if it's over.
I spend most of my time viewing what I want from the outside. I comb it over like it's the scene of a crime. The only guilty I find staring back at me in the mirror at night, stuck in place, just waiting for a green light. But I can't lie awake for someone else to say I can live my the only comfort I've found is blending in with another crowd. When things go wrong,
just all in my head. Floating rivers upstream, the things that you said. Tell me and be honest. Tell me, did you know that you would be leaving me just like the winners know? Tell me and be honest. Tell me, should I've known that you'd be leaving me so painfully quiet and slow? I try my best to move on, to let go. They say time is a healer, just you wait and see. The problem is for me, I need an eternity. So tell me and be honest. Tell me, did you know that you would be leaving me just like the winners know? Tell me and be honest. Tell me, should I know that you'd be leaving me so painfully quiet and slow? I try my best to move on, letting go. Letting go. Tell me, should I know? Just tell me and be honest. Tell me, did you know that you would be leaving me just like the